Hey, greetings friend, welcome back again in this video. In this video I am going to explain you how to define a function in Python. So guys, let's explore it. So guys, first of all I want to explain you what is function. So basically function is a piece of code which can be called you when you want that code to be implemented in your program. So function is nothing, it's just a piece of code. Okay, so how to define in Python? First of all I'll write such as I created my scripting form, so I write here as a function. I print function here. This is nothing, this is a print statement just as. Okay, I save the code. If I run this file, if I run this model, then it will be displayed like this function. I just printed about the function and function is printed here. Okay, now how to define a function? Let's sum two number and which is being defined in function module. So function is being defined with the help of def keyword, and after that we have to declare the function name. So I choose number and number. After that we have to declare parentheses because this is our function, this is our method, and place this mark. And in indent space we have to define our function definition. So if I choose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10 and choose another variable that is c, in which a plus b is defined, and here we print sum is okay. Let's save the code, and if I run this code, then function is defined, but why the sum is not taking place and output is not defined here? Because we doesn't call that function. So next step is to call the function. So I define a number that is parentheses. So here I call the function, and now if I run the code, then you see that sum is 15. So this is how we can use the function and how to declare the function in Python. I hope you really understand about it. I definitely catch you in the next video. Thank you.